Hey everyone, we hope you're all well and you're staying safe. Welcome back to our latest video from the UK walking tour series. Today we found ourselves in the Surrey area, near Guildford, and inside the beautiful Tillingbourne Valley. The unspoilt woodlands hide Chilworth Gunpowder Mills, a scheduled ancient monument with more than 100 buildings that were once one of the largest gunpowder mills in the country. The 17th century buildings are hidden in the wet woodlands where small wildlife roam and live in a peaceful setting of beautiful overgrown meadows and industrial heritage. The mills were originally established in 1626 by the East India Company, a privately owned enterprise that was set up to trade with the East Indies, South and East Asia, and they were awarded a royal charter by Elizabeth I in the 1600s. They were in regular conflict with the Dutch and Portuguese East India Companies, whom were also vying against one another, which led them to opening Chilworth in 1626 so it could supply its forces abroad. One of the reasons why Chilworth was used as a site for the gunpowder works is because of the operating watermills, and also that the valleys are full of alder trees that are ideal for making charcoal, which is required to manufacture gunpowder. So originally invented in China, gunpowder is a concoction of charcoal, saltpeter and sulphur. Each of those components have to be ground up before being mixed together. This normally has 6 different stages for the process of making them, hence why all of the ruined buildings that you see today have their own space and building area. One of the great things about visiting Chilworth is that it's free to roam. You are easily going to be able to spend an afternoon here discovering over 2 kilometres of site that is calm and relaxing and full of history. If you join the trail, you will come across an information board, and Guildford Council have given people a leaflet about the site. Grab one, it definitely comes in handy, with the handy map inside letting you know the different heritage points along the way. Some points of interest on the way would be the large and heavy mill grinding stones that are placed around the site that were put there strategically to prevent explosions from around the area, as well as remnants of buildings. Perhaps the most prominent part of the walk is that you're able to wander up and around the steam-powered mill buildings, where much recently the council have repaired the exposed metalwork and made improvements to the 3 bridges which led to the steam mills. We didn't manage to cram all that is to be explored at Chilworth in this video, but we recommend you to come along and see it for yourself and perhaps discover something hidden along the track. We really hope you've enjoyed watching our video today at Chilworth and look forward to sharing our next adventures with you shortly. As a taster for what's next, we are heading to Wales to explore and document the castles and the beautiful landscapes that it has to offer. Stay tuned for these from next week. If you haven't already, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel if this is your kind of thing. Till next time.